Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the critical software security update on your iPhone. Now, if you're getting a pop-up that says critical software update needed, Apple is aware of attacks targeting out-of-date iOS. I'm going to walk you through how to get this fixed. So we're going to hop out here and navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone. After you've done that, we're going to scroll down a little bit and tap on where it says General and then iPhone storage. You need enough space to be able to download the new iOS operating system to be able to fix any kind of critical security issues. In my case, I have 47 gigabytes. You need about 6 or 8 gigabytes to be able to update. So if you don't have that, just delete some apps and then tap back and tap on Software Update. You'll be able to see at the top, tap on automatic updates and make sure this is turned on, because essentially what this does is it will install especially all of those critical security updates. And now if you go back out of here and swipe down, it will search to see if there's an update. Currently, it's at iOS 26.4.1. So make sure you go through the process of updating it, essentially to patch those security updates or security flaws in iOS. Now, if you don't know if you have the latest version, you can tap on more details here and then go to support.apple.com, and it will give you more information about the Apple security releases and information about that specific version and what bugs or glitches or malware that it fixes. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.